Are you looking for the best feminine washes in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best feminine washes that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, SweetSpot Labs Natural Feminine Body Wash. Coming from SweetSpots, this is another amazing feminine wash which is made up of natural ingredients. The best thing is it is dermatologist and gynecologist tested, therefore safe to use. At number 4, Sweet Cookie Jar Cookie Wash. Coming in the size of 5 FL Oz, this is a wonderful feminine wash from Sweet Cookie Jar. It is perfect for those who are looking for an unscented wash for themselves. There are no toxic chemicals, and it is entirely safe to use. At number 3, Organic Glide Feminine Intimate Body Wash. This feminine wash comes in a pump bottle which makes it easy to use. The presence of organic substances makes it worthwhile and best to use. At number 2, Luvena Therapeutic Feminine Wash. If you are seeking one feminine wash that goes perfectly for all skin types, then this could become your final choice. Coming in the size of 200 milliliters, it is perfect for all the ladies in the house. At number 1, Sliquid Splash Feminine Wash. This is another unscented feminine wash which is perfect for those who are seeking one. Coming in the size of 8.5 ounces, it helps to maintain proper hygiene of the vaginal area. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.